Check it out. This video is about an Instagram story made by the YouTuber Saint and the Sinner, where he challenges Jon Zherka to a boxing fight. In this video, we'll also cover Jon Zherka's boxing fights with a streamer named Prime. We'll also cover related events like Sneako also challenging Jon Zherka to a boxing fight. But we will show now the Instagram post made by Saint and the Sinner.
It was brought to my attention that you had brought my name up, and this happens all the time. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber, but I see that you're giving out fades. I usually don't do this, but for you, I make one exception, so I'll never do this again. But over the next 30 days, I'm willing to fly from Asia back to the States just to mollywop you one good time, you dig? So check out the details of my offer. You can find it on my YouTube channel, The Saint and the Sinner, on the community tab. We can fight at light heavyweight, and if you're scared to do that, we can fight at whatever weight you walk around at. We'll show everybody who's soft and who's really not.
Whoa, you just heard from that Instagram post where Saint and the Sinner is challenging Jon Zherka to a boxing fight. I guess Saint and the Sinner feels very confident. We know in his past YouTube history and the clips he's been showing that he's been boxing a while, more at the exercise level in my opinion, whether it's in Thailand, elsewhere, but there is footage of Saint and the Sinner boxing around. Now that you have seen some evidence of the Saint and the Sinner boxing, I gotta ask this question. Why are you boxing in a children's playground? I noticed that you walled off the playground so nobody can get in, but is it because of you and your sparring partner, kids can't play at the playground? Because honestly, sparring at a gym might have been a better exercise. But other than that, the real reason why Saint and the Sinner made the challenge of boxing to Jon Zherka is because he probably saw the footage of Jon Zherka boxing a streamer named Prime. Let's show you a couple of highlights from that fight, starting with this clip. Notice the power difference you see between Zherka and Prime. Zherka being a lot bigger, he's going to be able to take more shots in. He's also giving a lot more power punches. However, we see that throughout the fight, Prime was able to get a few shots into Zherka.
All right, break, break.
20 seconds, 20 seconds. Break. Wait. No.
Man.
Time, guys.
Good shit.
Yes, Prime did get a few good shots in, and you can see that Prime has some boxing experience, I guess from his footwork, some fundamentals, but I frankly think those go out the window when you have a weight class difference, when someone heavier is able to deliver bigger punches, take in more punches. We really see the power of Zherka, especially in this next clip. We'll show you how powerful the punches from Zherka hurt Prime.
Break. Breathe. Come on, guys. 10 seconds. Come on, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on. Fight. Wait. No.
Man.
That's right. Zherka puts the P in power. And as an audience watching this video, you may be wondering, why did this boxing match happen between Jon Zherka and the streamer Prime? Well, it really started when the streamer Prime confronted Jon Zherka about the use of certain words and events that happened after, including ambush, and even a gun being displayed. So for clarification, this right here is Zherka. This right here is Prime.
Saying I'm afraid of you and your goons?
Well, no.
I'm afraid to bring all your goons here right now.
Wait, me?
Yeah, the comment
scared of
section
me?
said no.
Because you wouldn't say the N word.
What? No, because he said hard R. He said, I bet you want. When the f have I said hard R? I say I'm that all the time. I don't say hard R. I say hard R.
Oh! Hey, wait, sign the waiver first. Sign the waiver. Ain't no waiver, I ain't signed it.
No one can tell me anything.
No one can tell me anything.
Touch me. No one can tell me anything.
Don't touch me. John!
Why are you mad?
John! Say it again.
No, why are you mad?
Say it one more time. Say it one more time. Say it real quick. Say it. Go ahead and say it. Look at the height difference. Say it. Say it real quick. Be ready. Say it.
No.
Say it.
I'm not afraid.
Say it then.
I'm not afraid.
Say it.
You're mad. Did my ancestors have slaves?
Did they? Yes.
Albanians were in America? Are you high?
You know what I'm saying?
Wait, question.
You see my content. You collabed with me already.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
It's 3-on-1.
What you mean by that? Show the cameraman. What you mean by that?
I'm black. I ain't gonna lie. No, someone's gotta film. Give it the guy. Hey, yo, check it out.
Hey, Jack, hold
Hey, yo,
this.
check it out.
Get the blacks. Get the blacks.
Check it out.
Now that you have seen the confrontation, we're going to skip to the part where we see the ambush and the gun.
Are you racist towards black people?
I raised in a black family. Kwaku, Keithland, Yao. Black Christian family. I'm a refugee.
Are you racist? Do you like black people? Yes or no? Do you like blacks?
I'm not particularly fond of them.
Do you mean by that?
Back up. Ambush.
Stop.
Calm it easy. You have to calm down. I did. I'm slapping.
No, I'm kidding. Please don't hurt. No.
Bust my Rolex.
Bro. You say what?
Oh.
You say what?
You gonna do it on camera?
Come on, chill. Don't shoot.
Why am I filming this?
It's because you are a 304. Notice the gun clearly in his hand.
Do it on camera. Do it on camera.
Do it for it's a prop. It's a prop. I want to do it to you. I was about to say spam on.
Am I black now?
No,
What?
You punched me in the face. I'm not black.
Question.
Of course, when guns get pulled out, when things get ambushed, things are going to turn up a bit. But let's replay the part where Zherka delivers this punch to Prime. And since the boxing fights between Jon Zherka and Prime, even streamer Sneako wants to fight Jon Zherka.
Bro, it's over with. Just let it die. I'm just saying like that.
Chad, what do you think about Sneako Zherka fight? What do you think? What do you think?
Nah, your hits were really making him stumble like that.
It's it, chat. And again,
Who wins, Sneako or Zherka? I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty convinced that before this fight that Zherka would win in a fight, based on how much he was talking about his bouncing experience and everything like that, and his size difference much bigger. After the fight, I lost a lot of confidence in his fighting abilities, and I've been training a lot. I'm not gonna do coke. Who wins?
Yes, you heard it from Sneako. He thinks he can beat Jon Zherka in a fight based on the evidence he saw of the video footage between Jon Zherka versus Prime. But Sneako, you gotta remind yourself, just because you hit pads regularly doesn't mean you're good at fighting an actual human being. In fact, we see this footage where Jon Zherka, Bradley Martin, fought Sneako, and Bradley Martin totally destroying Sneako.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Survive! You got this! Survive!
Call it time.
1 second! Go! Get up! 30 seconds! Bro, Sneako. You got my mic out of my shirt. Get it! 40 seconds!
3, 2, 1. That's it. You survived. Yo, you look like me there. That's it?
Okay, you guys are next? You got it?
Fuck no.
Okay. Fuck. Don't get the blood. I'm not bleeding.
You got a scratch on your eyebrow.
Yeah. Well, I got clocked.
No, sitting from here, bro.
Yeah, that was bad.
Are you gonna see your face?
Come on, calm.
Yo, you're bleeding.
Yeah. For the clip, bro.
Oh my god.
He's doing another set. Fuck out of here, bro. I'm not stopping.
Bro, this is fucking.
He knocked me with that hook.
Did you just see that? That might be the first time Sneako actually sparred someone for real and not just play sparring. Yeah, Sneako, if you really want to fight Jon Zherka, you're going to have to spend more time in the gym. Otherwise, you may suffer a beatdown similar to the one you just got from Bradley Martin. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, put a like and subscribe. Put a comment below if you got something to say about it. I'll see you all next time.